Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a really stylish, comfortable, and head-turning dress for this summer, you've got to check out this one that I got from Dokuritu. A couple things about the design that I really like are that it has adjustable spaghetti straps. This is nice because if I want to wear something underneath it, I can have the straps be a little bit longer. Or if I'm wanting to just wear it without a tank top, I can have them be tighter. Also, the elastic around the back is great because it's tight enough to give you a flattering fit, but not too tight that it feels uncomfortable. This is a multi-tiered skirt. I'm 5'4" and this comes to just above my ankle. The lace detail on the top is just stunning. I get endless compliments on this dress because of that. Also, this is the color of the summer. It's a gorgeous emerald green. I cannot get enough of it. I like to style this with a belt, a tank top underneath, and some cute boho jewelry. There is some static to the skirt, so a little trick for you that I learned is to put a safety pin at the bottom of the hem, and that can help to dispel some of it. I can't say enough how much I love this dress. Go get yourself one. You're going to love it too, and that's my point of view.